Wanna see that? Yeah, man. See me? Look this. Something more. Hold up, man. Butter again. Jack. Butter. Butter. Whoa. Whoa.
Start from your bed.
Yeah, man, babe. So, come on, some shrimp to go up on the fishing, you know? You know where I go. My friend always like give me a problem, you know?
We don't know that. Oh, look at that. What a can of that.
Outside. Four person say look.
Hello world. Let's go on.
Four person say look.
Say look.
Yeah.
Oh, you forgot one again. Funny. One again Plaza man.
What you saying here?
I'm Mr. Plaza. Run the farm story.
Run off market there, that. I don't get the size of more around there.
No. There's some no sell there.
Clean for. Only the pan.
No sell them as trophies there go. Only the pan right there.
I'm going to do some fishing for the Canada dog.
Oh, now do some clippings in there. Normal procedure, man, you know, sense them there, you know. You know what I mean? You know badness in there.
Yeah, keep party.
I want to show this dog.
Yeah, man.
I want to show you the sun castle, you see? Girl, like a water, you know what I mean? So, you know, need to come catch some, that's what I say.
So, what we have also today?
You know, say some coconut and them things that I find in there, dog. And some kicker, you know, everybody the right thing, you know, what's the procedure.
That is
No, when I ramp with people, you know, we just do the right thing at all time. Hustling, you know what's the thing, yeah, I'm right. Anyway, you see, when you cartel say, Nautica, of the sailors, true, your sailors sell in the nauticals. Yeah, so for you see, you know, we have goods that sell everything. Yeah, from a pin to an anchor. From an anchor to a pin. You see what I say? That is it.
I say, up your phone now.
Yeah, man. So you find me get the man car. See that? You have to go buy a brand new bag for 5,000 because I can't buy a white Chinese version.
So you have to get a proper one.
I want a brand new Nokia, man. You know, so no matter how far I'm feeling, can't done. Can't done a good time. Yeah, I think you're going to find in the yard. Oi, General Manager for Big Ben. I think you're going to find God. Hey, I want everything good. There. I use the money I
come in, I walk down the road. Yes, peeps, so last time we go fishing. Look what I go on now. We never have them size, okay. So it's either this a size, yeah. Let me see that, my general. See there, this a size. Or that size, yeah. But this is a bit too small to me still, see it there? Small, you know what I mean? So, you work with that size, you see me? So this, how much I say about this? About how much it costs? Alright, that's not bad. That's not bad. I can afford that. Can afford that. You see me? So peeps, this is size number 8. So we are test them here today, you know? Daytime fishing, so we want a small look, so we are test them here today, so see what go on. Yeah man peeps, so you know we never get to go to the intro, but welcome back to the channel. As we said today, we are going on a new location, go try some fishing, see the igloo, yeah. Yeah man, the line and the hook, them there in the back, but we have to stop up our bridging. Get 2 rum special for hit the road. So me I say, up there now, General that over there, so, you know. Yeah man, bless him up, you know. Oh, just so peeps, just keep it locked man, we are link Rasta here now. Make a 5-minute stop. Don't know I got drink a special, all I look crazy. Then we hit the road. Outside peeps. They jump in a watch race, you know, just know say on the bypass coming down. You go down to St. Anne's Bay, yes, so you stop and this is the one stop, you know. You get your rum, your cigarette, any little thing, your snacks, you swim and say your water. Yeah man. Right, that's a one stop shop it name, you know, so you just do the right thing, you know. See let me get my little rum and now in a peep, you see me? You know we have all our vibes. Chris, boy, I want ice man for you.
I'm good. Yeah. I'm good enough, man.
That's it, that's a wicked man in my yard. Look at your man asks if you want more chase up on. Yeah, look at look at me that book.
I'm not sure I think so. Oh, man, I haven't put no money.
Yeah, man, and see youth, my future, your peeps. The man need to step out in the morning, yeah? Yeah, man. That we are talking about. Cleansiness, you know? Out there, people. You see the rum and shear over there, so. Water me drink with mine, you know? Yeah, take it boom, 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 boom. Alright, that is it. Yeah, man, this is mine, peeps. See that? So people, remember when you pass through Watchers, you go drive straight through, don't stop at the general footman. You just pull up and then bring anything where you want in your car, on your bike, in your truck, anywhere. So Ross, bless them up now, man. Bless up the people, them, man. Say something.
Yeah, man, I don't know, great things. Yeah, man, Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. Yeah, that this is how we do it in Jamaica. You know? Yeah, in the streets. Yeah, I have been creative to survive in Jamaica. So out here we there in the street, I do it. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, people, you don't know. When I watch your biggest chill spot over there, so the Fisherman Village. Yeah, man, but we'll leave that for you and then a video. Official vlog, we are going down there. So, yeah, with that. So, we just have to move along, you understand, my people? People, yeah, man, people. So, don't know it's sundown, we, as we say. We're there. We just search a piece of coast, so I want to look over here. So, this is the first piece of coast we find. You get what I say? So, I think so we are going to start right here, so. You get what I say, and see what, and then we just continue to go down the coast. But we have a special place where we want to go. On top of one rock. That's how we feel, so we are going to end with journey. You get what I say? So if we catch nothing, we are going to go and look at roast this or so. Keep it locked, man. Heart of love, man. Blessings, that's it. Yeah, man, so we are going to go cross over here, so, and see what we can get over here, so. Yeah? Yeah, round here so look 100% better for fishing, people. Look out there, sir. Yeah, man. So we don't know enough because we never get no talk say you're so illegal for fishing, so we are going to try. You see what I say? So just wish you best of luck as we always say. You see what I say? Yeah, man. So some shrimp we are used today again. New location we depend today again. First we are try so. So wish we luck out there. Yeah, man, peeps, as we say, some shrimp we are used today. You see them shrimp here, them still frozen, you see me? So when we go in our store, we'll get them. Them still frozen. We don't want to, so one of kind of soft down, you know, peeps. You know, keep the igloo locked because we don't really want them get spoiled. So, yeah, man, we want them stay fresh, so. See it there? Shrimp we are used to the peeps, so I just chew the shell in the water, you know? You know, I have a lot of people ask me what type of bait to use, see it there? Shrimp me I use to there. You get what I say, you know, we use all type of bait, but, you know? From where there, you know, this me I use shrimp. So, show no what I go on. Yeah. Bait up the hook here now, you know. Keep the thing active. That is it. That is it right now. Remember, first time I fish here, so I can't tell you what type of fish bite here, so. You get me? Yeah man, normally you don't say yo, you know you go one area where famous with this or that, so today we are going to find out. Remember shrimp are the only bait we have today. So I make my first cast, you get me? Yeah man. First cast out there. See what I go on. Alright. You know, so you have to feel like a comfortable spot where you can sit down. The only thing problem we have with that is the sun, you know. But, you know. So it go out there already. And I feel some look nibble. You know? I know what them, you know. So I feel some nibble. Yeah. Funny, but I don't know how. The funny feel small though. I don't feel my sink or jaw good ground. I know in the funny, but it feel small. Small, you know? Hitch. Bomba hitch, you know? Bomba hitch in the funny, I do a hitch, you know? What hitch case for? What hitch pan, man? Jesus! Everything. Yo peeps, each you know, but it's still there on the seat there. You know. I can shake off, I know. I don't know how old it got. You know, star. First one. You know, star, man. Jaja peep, Jaja. Ah. Boss off peeps, catch me upon the next cast, you know? Catch me upon the next cast, in boss off man. You know? So you go sometime, you win some, you lose some, you know? Yeah. Yeah man peeps, so I change up the type of line. I mean, here so, I mean I get bite, you know, but here walk now. When you pull in, your line keep on stuck, so I don't know what type of rock out there, so like your line cannot pass it, you know? So I throw it to the side there now, peeps, and see wow, you get me? Yeah man, throw it to the side there, see wow. You see, every time I throw out there, you have to put on a good thing and so much hook we get, you know? Like it's a good thing and so much hook we get, because I don't know what would I do. See what size them be, you know? That you want to see long time. What size them be? Oh, hook up parrot. Just them hook up parrot out here by it, peeps. What you say, Crispo? What you feel, say?
Nice size that.
Is that a nice size?
I mean.
Yeah man peeps, cause tell us that we are get bite, but we never 100% sure our some hook up parrot out there bite, you know? So see them here. Take a good look, you know. Oh, we more looking up peeps. And them are some strong fish when them a bite, you know? Yeah man. Crispo says a keeper. Hook up parrot them, you know, we use them as bait too, so. We now go chew him right now for we there and place a barra there. And we have barra line. Right barra bait, you know? So finally we see what out there get trouble. You see me? Yeah man. So keep it locked, man. Yeah man, so here we go on, man, yard and abroad. Left from the location, you know we only get one catch and we lose a lot of hook. All our sinker them gone, so we are gonna move on down the coast. You know we want to catch a giant phone today in the peep, so just keep it locked, man. Catch a journey, we are head down the coast. Yeah man, watch you today in the people. Outside. Yeah, man, peeps. Look what go on, man. Can't them enough, peeps. Go on. We out here, man, and you know we're showing everything what go on down the yard, you see me? Yeah, man, so 4 I can and them out here point out a sea and another Port Royal there. Yeah, man. Big up every viewers, man. So, branch off yourself, you know? Go up there and go on. Go on now. Yeah. So, I start to pick up that, you know what I mean? So, find a way to go down on the rock, you know? Go and chop ya. Try to see if we can catch something, peeps. One we gone so far, you know. Don't know what style, you know, we don't come out and not catch nothing. So we try our best. Hey, hey, guess what? Can't believe. Not even know say them are there and them waters there, you know, peeps. Roger. Guess what? Pilot. Yeah, man, I never know say them there and them waters there, peeps. See me? Yeah, man, I not show him, you know. You don't know, you know. Original pilot, you know. Yeah, man. Still not catch a one, catch it, you know. Let's go and keep it locked. Boy, Antonio Blair, I know you're gonna laugh when you see that. When you see that pilot there, you know. I love Mac, you know. I love Mac more when I catch pilot, but I just saw it go still. One of them, you know, Jack create him, you know. Yeah, man, so we are going to beat it out and send out back the line. Yeah man, we should catch a big something today, but you know them coast here. At night time they're active, you know, so yeah.
Wow.
Come here, have on the video.
Yeah.
Boom, I can get there. You get there, Facebook. Boom, dog. You did it, man. You did it. Run us a swing. You did it. How that? How that, my man? How? Yeah. Facebook. Yeah. See that? Yeah! Yes, man! Tell the boy Jack, man! Tell the boy Jack! How about him? Look there! Yo! Hold him, dog, hold him, see him there? Yes, man! We know they're out there. Yes, man! Look at people! Hey! Igloo pussy! Hey! Anything good in there catch nothing? See it there, Gospa? Yo, me I say, what is this? Yeah, man! See me? Yeah, man! See the pips? If I'm lying, I'm dying. Over 2 pounds, you know? You see it? Yes, man. So here what happened? They are dropping me in a igloo in a car, you don't know where I'm going. Yes, man. Give thanks. We like say Father God bless we know we da catch something big for entertain on the done. Yeah man. Father Steve, big up yourself, you know you don't know a thing going on, see it there? Yeah man. Beverly. Always I watch from over Trinidad. Big up yourself as well, you don't know a thing go. All of the Jamaica Lifestyle Black TV family. Blessings and respect, you know? Yeah man. You know when you catch fish enough you angling near water. You get me, but I hold on upon him, you know. Yeah man, I hold on upon him. Nah, let him go people. So, take the hook out of his mouth. The thing about fishing, you know, patience, you know. You have to have patience. So we have to go back out there. Send back the line out there, you know, Pete? Come, yeah, he must come, he must come, he must bump up. Yeah man, we hold him this time in a piece. He can't get to it now, you see how them are. What them are? What is? Whoa! Nice butter people! Yo, I thought this butter be ever catch me. Look there. Jesus! You know see him? Uh-oh! You know what this boy? Expensive fish, pea flesh. Yo, yo, yuck. I don't care, sir. The man you see them teeth there in our mouth, peeps. Can't make them the whole year, you know. See the peeps? And get hooked, man. And get hooked. Nice butter, you know, peeps. You know, say, honestly, about 3 times the line bust off for hook fish and the line bust off. Believe it or not, peeps. Honestly. Yeah, man, this is a butter, man. Nice butter. Right to cook him to, you know. Look on him, man. Hold him good to, you know, peeps. I don't want to put my hand in his mouth. But see me? Yeah, man. Can't make him get to it, you know. See him there? Nice. Honestly, my biggest butter, I catch per line, my hand stuck in him gill, peeps. So, see it here? Yeah, man. Big butter fish, you know. You know, I try to see the bait, you know. Try to take back the bait, you know. Yeah, boy. Big butter. See there? Yeah, man. You afraid of him? Big butter, you know, peeps? See him there? About a pound. Explore, me have to go bring us to one idea, man. See him there? Yeah, man. Look this. Something more. Hold up, man. Butter again. Jack. Butter. Butter. Whoa. Whoa. Another lovely one. Wanna see that? Oh, let me take him out. Yo, you look scary now. You're all that bigger. Yo. Butter. Yo. Yo, when I look on these people, I'm not telling you I'm the biggest butter them I catch. My 2 biggest butter fish them peeps. Look there. My God. Yo. Yo, them one that look scary. People, you know, if this line out a fish mouth near water, but look here. Look, man. Jesus almighty. Yo. And look how Moses say we not catch nothing big today, you know. Yeah, man, look how Moses say we not catch nothing big. Look on them butter here. Huge. Jaggy, look wild from me, you know. Keep them up on it, you know. dip on the dog, but look here. The line stuck. Watch out. The dip on him, man. The dip on the Crespo boy line stuck. Boom. Forget to get to know. Watch it. Watch it, you see? Watch it right. Well, no cool, man. No cool. On paper, we out here. I nah lie you. I nah lie. I feel good. We come catch them few here, but the weather kind of change, peeps. So, we have a few bait. We are going to try use them out. You see what I say? Before the rain come down, try go no a roast. You get what I say? And then after that, you don't know history, so go and bless up on yourself, you know. Hope we can catch 3 or 2 more before the weather. Yeah, man. But we out here. Now give up, you know. Look funny, Crespo. Oh, that heel. 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 Me not standing in the water with that. Bomba. God knows so bad. Oh. Yeah, peep, me not standing in the water with that. We have to run out. People, I'm not dashing him, you know. Keep him as bait, you know. Yeah, man. I'm gone out with the lion, you know. You don't know what I'm going to work out. But boy. Boy. I'm not standing there with it. Wouldn't mind him go hit the line and bust you up somewhere. See me, peeps? And if I look so. Electric steel in our you see? I rip it. Hey, it look like some type of sneak. You don't see it? Let's just know. See it in our igloo, I want to feel that. Can use him as bait, you know. I'm the feel him, what that? I know you. Pilot. Pilot to go on the bar. Oh, fat pilot!
The biggest pilot, I see.
Yeah man, fat pilot peeps. You see me? See me? Fat pilot. Fat pilot, you know? Yeah man. Take a look on him. Jamaican colour I have, you know, people. Black, gold and green up here, so you see me? Yeah man. So, the second pilot idea. Yeah man. Try throw him out of land there. You know what I mean? Ever throw your fish in a bush and mangoes keep you? Yeah man, mangoes dangerous and we are no peeps. But keep it like man, we have one little piece of bait, we are going to run it out, see where we can catch, you know? Yeah man. But this new location we come, we see so we can touch it back. You see what I say? And the location also give us some nice size fish. So we don't know where we go. And here we are going to. We know the type line and the type hook what we are going to need. And the hook them we are used to them too small, we have some next set of hook them too big. You get what I say? Let's go and keep it locked man peeps. We know it go. Heart of love man, yard and abroad. Big up on yourself. You can get it. Another fat pilot, you know peeps. Them pilot here they pass size, man. Yeah, man. Another fat pilot, you know. Something you eat that, you know. Something you eat out with, you know. Eat out the shrimp head there, so. You go to me and say, but another one. Fat, you know. You see me? Upper land again, you know. Yeah, man. We are going, man. As me I say, a small piece of bait left, so when we finish, we are making us see the catch. See it. We forget a lighter because we don't roast couple in the peeps, you see me? But no lighter. So see how it go. Keep it locked, man. Remember, you know, man, hit the like button, you know, people. Leave a comment. Yeah, man, all of the viewers, all of the subscribers, them. Yeah, man, do the right thing. Yeah, man, peeps, so me and Crespo they bring the shorty brother. The roast the fish balls, me say we left the lighter, you know. So, don't know where you go. See it? I could just see it. But we know one little spring down the road and run out of water, so we have to go down the spring, have a drink, then we head home. You see me? Yeah, man. And next time I'm gonna get a nice cooking video, peeps. So go and keep it locked, man, till the end of the night video. Here? Yeah. Yeah, man, peeps. So we are going. We're catching up, peeps, up there. No lie, two biggest butterfish them, you know. Nice 2 pounder jack. This alone, you know, people about honestly 5 pound of fish. You know, we don't really count the pilot them still, but you know. Yeah, man. It was a lovely catch, you know. Nah lie. So we have got to definitely try back that spot here. With the right hook, the right line. Yeah, man, see it, yeah? Lovely. Just go and keep it locked, peeps. Yeah, man.
Yes, let's see. I don't know if we catch you over. We catch, how much fish you catch already, Black? About 6 to... About 6 to 7 fish. So I don't know, so we come over here so I can taste the liquid already. Black's telling me early. This is one of the most used spring. I watch serious. I'm not going to use my hand today. It's a buckle I use and pull it up because I want a proper drink. So now watch me. Me are telling you, this come like a spring water where you buy
no come like
in
a spring water. Where did you get from? Everything up? There, man.
Shoot that one show.
Yeah, you know.
Yes, my piece, me are telling you, notice how back to look well cool like out of the fridge we take it. So, big up everybody who watch the channel. You know, it's a long time you know, to be based on the channel and we want to back myself to the channel, some more unwelcome me as well. So, enough respect, yard and abroad. Stay tuned enough because we have a whole heap of video to come here. Whole heap of invention. I'm out.